Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how Chat GPT plays a fantastic or you can say dramatic role in your life, especially in your coding life. So as we know that Chat GPT plays a very vital role in our life, it can solve our each and every problem, especially in the coding and in programming, and we can say in the game development and apps issue. Those are not easy in real life. But now we will learn how ChatGPT built our apps and games even in 5 minutes. As we often listen that ChatGPT will replace programmers in the future life, and yes, I think it will replace. So now ChatGPT can build apps and games in 5 minutes. It provides us a complete code, those is even applicable, and let's learn how can we make a simple app or simple game in 5 minutes with the help of ChatGPT. So hereby I open a Chrome and I comes on Chat GPT and simply I will write here some lines here. I will write I want to create tic tac toe game. So generate the mobile responsive code. So now hereby to in which language we want the code here for HTML, comma CSS, which is cascading style sheet, and JavaScript. So after writing this, I will click on that and it will generate a code, and because it is a number of lines of code, so it will take us some times. So I already generated the code. Let's see here. So looks, I already generated here the code. So code is generated. This is HTML file, this is CSS file, and this is JavaScript file. So minimize the screen and open the notepad new and simply goes to word on the notepad, or you can go from the file and notepad too. So I opened here a notepad file. Before this, make a folder new and give a name tic tac toe game. Now open that, go to the Chat GPT. First of all, copy the HTML code, and there is also option of copy code here. Go back to the HTML file, simply paste here. After pasting that, save as and save with the name of index.html. So it will ask the location. So after going from desktop, go to the folder in which you want to save the file. So as my folder is tic tac toe game, so I will select here and save the file. Similarly, now click on the file and open a new file. Go back to the Chat GPT, scroll down, and here is my CSS code. So copy your CSS code, go back to the HTML file, which is my new file, and paste here. And save it with the name style.css. Okay, and save it on desktop. Later we will move on our required folder. Now the last one is for JavaScript. So again scroll down, copy that code, move back to the notepad, click on file, click on new, paste here. After pasting that file, save, it will ask the name, give here a name script.js. JS is extension here. Click on desktop, desktop, and here are folders, TikTok to game, and simply save here. So look at in the folder, we have three index.html, script.js and style.css. Now it's time to run my code locally. So in this file, I will open this file with the help of Google Chrome. Okay, so open with the browser so that it will run locally. So look, it generate a TikTok to game. Okay, if you are a player that, you will even that mark that, and if that, and look, so it's work. So it's yes, we can say in the conclusion of video that Chat GPT can build a small little app. But if you want to make a very enhanced app or very special app, so it is must that you should have some knowledge of the language, so you can change the code according to your requirement. For example, if I want to change the background of this game, or I want to change the color of this cross and circle, so these all things can be changed, but if you have a little bit knowledge of that language. Thank you for watching. If you like, then subscribe and like my video.